Hey everybody, welcome to ICOR Technology in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada. My name is Andrew Kavalierski. I'm the Vice President for Sales and Marketing here at ICOR. Come with me and I'm going to give you a tour of ICOR. Say hi to Sarah Benfield. She's our administrative assistant. She's been with us for almost 10 years now, and she does an excellent job greeting all of our guests and coordinating all of our trade shows. Back in 2013, ICOR was expanding rapidly. So we went out and bought land, built a building, and moved in all within a one-year period. Today, we're in a 28,500 square foot facility. ICOR has been in business for over 16 years, and we have robots deployed in over 56 countries. As you can see, we have a wide variety of flags representing bomb techs from around the world when we have international visitors coming to our facility. All the engineers and technicians in this department are developing new products as well as continually improving our current products. Mitch here is working on our Caliber Flex, which is our newest and most advanced robot. This is one of the most interesting areas of the company because this is where all the products are produced. They're making search mirrors, hook and line kits, firing reels, and of course, our suite of Caliber robots. Bomb technicians are constantly experimenting with new technologies. We can execute rapid prototyping for them since we have our own machine shop. So now we're going to finish our tour at the heart and soul of ICOR. Here we have Dave and Rodell working on some repairs of a Caliber Mark III. They're doing the final checks, making sure that the robot's in perfect working condition before it goes back out to our customers. Anybody who uses ICOR products know that we take pride in building good products, but we take even more pride in giving exceptional customer service. People like Antoine and Jason are available 24/7, and we back that up with our 2-year warranty for all of our robots.